Hi, welcome to Pim channel. Today let's go with something seafood. I call this is a mixed seafood stir fry. Let's go cook. Okay, let's do chop some chili, a fresh Thai chili. Today I really like spicy. I put a lot, maybe 20, and garlic. Okay, let's chop some garlic and chili. Okay, just about like this. Cut some vegetable. Today I'm not add too much vegetable, so there's nothing wrong with that. If you like more vegetable, just add vegetable you like. And then I use some quarter of white onion. Yeah, I don't like much onion. I just put a little bit in there. You like onion, just put more much as you like, but I don't like much. If you don't have it, you don't have to worry about it. It's my basil from my garden. Okay, while I'm doing this, I boil some water behind me. Baby octopus. Okay, I'm gonna finish cutting this and then I show you what I do next. When I cook seafood, I would boil the seafood a little bit in the hot water first because seafood have a lot of water. When you stir fry, gonna be a lot more water coming out from the seafood. That's why I boil water, plain water, put seafood in there. About that, and then take it out. 2 spoons of vegetable oil. I like to use the vegetable oil, and it's better. Look like today very real spicy. Keep stir like this until the chili and garlic get brown. See, this garlic and chili is ready. The color is perfect. And then add some seafood. See, you already see it's a lot of water come out from the seafood. Okay, now we continue. Put some salt in there. oyster sauce, chili sauce, Golden Mountain seasoning, fish sauce, white sugar. If you like sweet, you can add more sweet, but I don't like super sweet. And you see the reason I put the seafood boil in the hot water first, because it's so much water, you know, it's so much water. Add some bell pepper and onion. Stir fry. It's the Thai people, they call pad thale. If you went to the Thai restaurant, you have to order pad thale. It's the same thing. Or some people call pad pig pao. I don't know, but I call mixed seafood stir fry. Smell really good, and I get hungry, and then oh my god. Looking good. Let me make a sample a little bit, so make sure if you cook and follow me, it's come out good. Wow, really good, really good. And today I put some basil in there too, because you know basil go with anything, not go wrong with anything. That's a perfect that. So I have so much for my basement. I'm gonna put in here. See? Remember, when you cook seafood, do not put water in there, because the water from the seafood alone will come out crazy. Let me go grab my press. Okay, it's done. Wow. Steam rice is ready, and I'm really hungry. Past my dinner time already.